Hello guys, it is Crown of Glory 82. I know I look a little different. August the 1st would have marked my 1 year lock anniversary. However, I guess it's been a week now. Yeah, it's been a week now since I actually decided to comb them out. My reason for combing them out, one, I felt that they were too big. Like, I have been battling back and forth, and I said if I can make it to a year, I would decide then whether to just keep them and let them be big or to take them out in hopes to restart them, do them over. It took me 6 days to comb out my locks. I didn't lose a lot of hair. I'm gonna take it out of the ponytail at some point and let you guys see my hair. I didn't lose a lot of hair. Sorry, I'm looking at my dog. But I did, of course you're gonna lose dead hair. I mean, that's what locks are. So of course I did lose some hair, but I didn't lose a lot of hair. Surprisingly, I was actually pretty surprised once I took them out and I washed my hair. I deep conditioned my hair, and then I just put it in a large puff. And then I went to the Dominican lady who blows my hair out for me when I can't go to my natural hair care salon. I just go to her, and she blew dry my hair and she trimmed it because I knew it was going to need to be trimmed, and she trimmed it, and I still retain a lot of length. And I haven't it's been a week since I've gotten the blowout. I haven't put any heat in my hair. I was going to do it today because I've been working out like crazy, so my roots I've been sweating a lot, so my roots, of course, are not as straight. But I have not put any heat in it, and that's what I'm trying to focus on if I'm going to wear my hair out. Because I haven't decided. Right now, I'm kind of really enjoying the length of my hair, and I'm enjoying having loose hair, so I don't really foresee me locking my hair anytime soon. I think I'm gonna try to maintain it, not being locked. There is so much more stuff out here on YouTube for people with my texture hair. I have 4C hair. My hair is tightly coiled and very dry. It's kind of hard to manage, and that was one of the reasons as to why I wanted to lock my hair, because I was just so over loose hair, protective styling, and doing all this stuff. So that's why I wanted to lock it. But as I went through the process of locking, I liked my locks. I really did like it. I liked the look of it, and it was so me. But I just did not like how thick they were. I didn't like that part of it at all. And if I was going to keep them, I wanted them to be smaller. So if I do decide to get them again, this will be my second or third time trying locks. I don't know if I'm going to go back. But if I do go back, they would definitely have to be smaller, much smaller, in order for me to like them and want to deal with them. But now, because I don't want to make this video too long, but I want you to just see. Now, like I said, I've been sweating and everything, so it's poofy and it's not super duper straight. I do want to say I'm sorry to all my lock followers, since I'm not locked anymore. I can understand if you wouldn't want to follow my page. I don't even know if I'll even post any more videos or whatever, since I'm not locked. There's tons of hair tutorials on loose natural hair, so there's no need for me to post anything. But I did want to just give you guys an update. Hold on, I gotta let my dog out because he's acting crazy. Hold on. Which makes it even more shocking. Okay. Sorry, guys. But yeah, I had this little headband on. I had this whole little Bohemian 80s baby, what is it, Sarah Fawcett, whatever her name is, flip thing going. But yeah, this is my hair. Like I say, I do have length. You can't even see the color just because of the lighting in here, but I have a lot of length that I've retained. It's actually very healthy. I've been putting the serum like heat protective stuff you would put in your hair if you're flat ironing. That's what I've been putting in my hair, only because I cannot find the other oil that I wanted to put in it. But I've been putting this other stuff in it to keep the frizziness down, and it has been. I've also, to keep the curls and stuff, I have been pin curling it. But since I've been working out, like I said, and sweating a lot, of course the curls have kind of gone. So what I've been doing is still pin curling it, but also flat twisting it, and then it just gives it like a little crinkled look, because I really want to try to see just how long, if my hair could grow this long just from keeping it locked, then I know it can grow. It doesn't have to be locked for it to grow. It can grow either way. I just have to figure out ways to retain it. So what I plan on doing is keeping the heat out of it. The Dominican lady told me that I need to trim my hair every 2 to 3 months. I don't know how true that is, because I see tutorials and people trim their hair once a year or every 3 to 6 months. I don't know. I'm gonna let her trim it every 2 to 3 months and see how it works. If that works and I'm still retaining length, then I'll continue to do that. If not, then I'll just go longer. But I'm not gonna get blowouts. I figured I'll get the blowouts when it's time to get it trimmed. And in between that time, I'll just do 2-strand twists, other styles that I can do. But I guess being locked for so long, I'm loving my hair being loose and being able to run my fingers through my hair. And the process of, if anybody is thinking about taking out their locks, it's not easy. My scalp was very sore. I didn't have any help. My husband wouldn't help me. My friends wouldn't help me. Family, nobody wanted to deal with me and my hair, so I had to just sit there, suck it up. And I took the rat tail comb with the metal end. I took some 99-cent Suave conditioner, wet my hair with that, and water it in the conditioner, and just like you're taking braids out. It took time. It took a lot of time, but it's done, and this is the end result. So I just wanted to come to you guys so you could see. And like I say, I'm sorry to all my lock people out there, and I guess I'm like a traitor now, but it's hair, and it's just a better decision for me right now. Otherwise, I will see you guys around. If you want me to make videos, about my journey now being loose again, let me know, and I'll try to make them. Otherwise, see you guys around. Bye.